Welcome to our chocolate factory. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how chocolate bars are made, step by step.
Ghana, Ivory Coast, Ecuador, Madagascar, and Venezuela.
Frozen. Great chocolate begins with exceptional beans. Like fine wine, cocoa expresses its terroir.
Control, roaster 4 ready for batch 72. Profile selected.
Roasting is alchemy, the moment simple beans become chocolate. Temperature, time, and airflow combine.
Just about there, increasing airflow for the final phase.
From tropical harvest to roca roasted perfection.
The stone mill performs chocolate's most fundamental transformation. Solid nibs surrender their structure.
The 5-roll refiner achieves what human senses cannot detect. Particles smaller than 20 microns.
Conching is chocolate's meditation, a patient transformation requiring days rather than minutes. The granite rollers fold and aerate.
You can see the distinct particles here,
Definitely more cohesive now.
and now it's beautifully smooth and flowing.
This early sample still has those harsh, acidic notes from fermentation. Let's see how it develops.
From bitter bean to liquid luxury, the chocolate has traveled far. Roasting awakened its flavor.
To cherry. Cocoa butter is polymorphic, capable of crystallizing in 6 different forms. Only form V.
Science confirms what tradition developed intuitively. Our temper meters analyze crystallization behavior continuously.
Great chocolate deserves exceptional companions. Our inclusion systems add premium nuts, fruits, and toppings.
The moment of truth, when tempering science meets sensory confirmation. That clean snap.
Our AI vision systems examine every bar with superhuman precision, detecting defects invisible to the human eye. Each bar receives multiple measurements across its surface, ensuring uniform gloss.
Consumer safety transcends all other priorities.
Each test result records digitally, creating complete batch documentation, linking final products to all production parameters.
The wrapper is the first conversation between our chocolate and consumers. Every element communicates quality.
Coding enables traceability, product tracing from consumer complaint through ingredient sourcing. Vision verification photographs codes, confirming readability.
From quality inspection through protective wrapping to retail-ready packaging, every station adds value. Every process.
Our final quality control laboratory represents the last line of defense between our production and your experience.
Food safety transcends quality, it is fundamental responsibility. Every production batch undergoes microbiological screening before release authorization.
Recoger 3 cajas, pasillo 7, sección B.
Scan complete.
Place items on pallet 4. Order complete.
Chocolate's journey doesn't end at our warehouse door. Our quality commitment extends through distribution to the moment you unwrap your bar.
From tropical cocoa forests to factory transformation to moments of pure pleasure.
And that's how chocolate bars are made. From raw cocoa beans to perfectly tempered, beautifully wrapped bars ready to bring moments of happiness.